that. So for some of these smaller stores that you have as retailers, you're most likely going to be coming up on the first page with this new store page. So like Bethany Country Store, most likely they don't have very good SEO on their site that I've seen, and you're probably going to come up on the first page when someone searches for them. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk through it on the screen. Very little voiceover here. This way you can kind of see what you need to do, and if you have any questions you can always email me, but you can reference back to this video. I'm leveraging Google to look up each of these retailers to see to get their map. You'll see me copy and paste a code over to the web page we create. I'm using one template, and I built this template myself. The template that came with the application was just not sufficient to the needs that we need to achieve with these pages, because we need to help increase your local rankings within Oklahoma and within Texas, the two states that you sell this product. Therefore, I think this will help accomplish it. There is also a new application that's on the horizon in the next coming weeks. You should look into getting it. It's also a SEO application. It's called Yoast, but it's a local application that focuses on dominating within specific regions, so Oklahoma, we're talking geographically as a state, or Texas. So again, I'm just going to kind of walk through this without any voice, very little voice, and if you have any questions, again, you can email me. So here we are within one of the pages we're creating a new store page for the Bixby Farm and Ranch Supply. You can see that I changed the title here first to Bixby Farm and Ranch because using the symbol was messing up the title. So Bixby Farm and Ranch Supply in Bixby, Oklahoma. So we're focusing here geographically where this location is at. Even though it says Bixby here, this is kind of the standard that I set up. And then I go here to the permalink, or known as the URL or domain name, and you can edit it. I always, it was Bixby Farm Ranch Supply, so it was missing the and because originally it was a symbol. Remember, it was here. So I added the word and in there, and then I put the geographic location, Bixby, Oklahoma, and you hit OK. And then I am bringing over the text, copy and text. So you'll go to a page that was created before, it's already live, and you'll just copy that text over. You don't copy it in visual, that'll mess it up. You need to click on text and hit copy because it has some coding, some strong tags. And then this is the kind of standard format that I set up. Again, we have a header and a strong tag focusing on the actual retailer's name and their contact information, and then we link up their site with keywords. We don't just put website and then http www.bugrai.com. Putting keywords here, and then you'll put in their address. And then when we have strong tagged, which lets Google and Bing know that this was important, and all we're gonna do is interchange Bixby Farm and Ranch Supply with Big V Feed Center, which was the last page we created. And then down here, this content won't change. It just talks about interest in becoming an authorized retailer of organic bug repellent products that are safe for use on or around pets, animals, and plants. Contact Bugrai for more information on what it takes to become a Bugrai retailer. So these are both links back to specific pages on your site. Got a link to Facebook. Here we're talking about, is this one of your favorite stores in McAllister? Share your thoughts on Big V Feed Center and why you think they are the best retailer Bugrai has by sharing your thoughts on the Bugrai Facebook page. So we're encouraging engagement. The one thing I will cover, because this is all just text, you're gonna plug and chug with that. What I do is I go over and I find the store. So I have another window open, another tab open, logged into your site, and I hit kind of the broom button, and I pull that up, and I know they have a site here, and then I just I copy it, I replace it with its predecessor, and then you go in and put Tulsa and the zip code. So it's kind of self-explanatory there. You're probably wondering what this is. This is a Google map of the location, and to change that, this is what you're going to be replacing. So you'll go to Google Maps, you click on Google, you will type, I prefer to go to search, you'll type Bixby Farm you can see here they have a website and they're registered with Google based on this map. All you have to do is click on that, and that's going to give you an option for directions. You'll click on directions, then you'll click up here at this link button. You'll click link, and this is where it says paste HTML to embed in website. You'll double click, right click, copy, and you will go back to your site. You will go to text, not visual, text. You will highlight the other Google Maps you'll see. It's going to be labeled with, starting with iframe. All you'll do is highlight that, hit paste, and you will have replaced it. Go to visual, and that will be the Google Maps there. Now see here in the keywords, you want to focus on, first off, putting the location's name. So I'm going to put Bixby farm and ranch. So it suggested that. And then in your title, what you want to do is also, before we jump to the title, let's be straightforward here. You're going to want to put Bixby Farm and Ranch in Bixby, Oklahoma. And then you're going to want to put pesticide for sale in Bixby, Oklahoma. And then I type in the other keyword phrase I focus here is organic bug repellent. For sale in Bixby, Oklahoma. And then I spell Oklahoma right to begin with, but then I'm going to put another comma. You separate every keyword by comma, and I'm going to put bug right. So, and I'll come down to the title, what's going to show here at your top of your page when you hover over. I'm going to put Bixby Farm and Ranch.